Bitcoin has just now broken through $29,000 and has hit a brand new all-time high for this year. This is really, really exciting, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about where I think it's heading next. Before we get into it, I just wanted to thank our brand new members for New Member Monday. Thank you, Shane, Milton, Christian, Christopher, and the rest of you. We really appreciate your membership, and we can't wait to trade with you. I also want to let you know that a brand new future forecast will be released tomorrow. We have some new data that points to the next all-time high of Bitcoin not being 200,000, but much lower. So if you want to get some early access to our membership in anticipation of the new future forecast tomorrow, links are in the description, or if you're on our Telegram channel, just click the link right here. Diving straight into it, the reason this pump just happened is that $8.86 billion just entered Bitcoin in the last 30 minutes. Now, this was tweeted on our Twitter account at Trade Confident right here. Go ahead and follow us. We'd really appreciate that. You can see here this massive spike in the last 30 minutes of money into Bitcoin. This is really exciting to see, and this is what pushed Bitcoin to its new high for this year. Now, this isn't too surprising. The Bitcoin volatility breakout detector has been showing low volatility on Bitcoin for some time. Now, this was updated this morning. However, these metrics came out before the pump happened, so this will actually reflect on tomorrow's chart. You can see anytime just after these low volatility readings is when we're seeing crazy moves in the market, and I don't think this is going to be any different. We just saw that crazy move up over $29,000, and this comes in very consistently after a long period of low volatility. Now, on the 4-hour time frame here, the price versus well money flow is super high on its chart with a metric value of 82 with the trend exhaustion high as well. Most often when both of these are at the top, this by itself is a major bearish signal. However, if we get a sell signal on this candle, these three will combine to be the most bearish signal possible. So you're going to be wanting to look out for that. I do want to show you on the higher 1-day time frame, price versus well money flow is still relatively in the middle, but has risen up after this move. Trend exhaustion is also in the middle on its chart on the 1-day time frame. So at least on the higher 1-day time frame, we're feeling kind of neutral. And on the 1 week here, we are still super high on the price versus well money flow and super high on the trend exhaustion. So with both the 1 week and the 4-hour showing more bearish, and with the 1-day showing neutral, I think things are looking more bearish overall. I do want to say it is possible we're going to see a pump, so I will show you a really strong structure resistance that we need to pay attention to. However, it is kind of a tough call. If people keep pumping money into the market, I think it's going to move up like crazy. We had already broken previous structure resistance at $28,800. The first resistance will be right at $30,000. Let me get the perfect mark right here. Boom, just like that. Now, this will satisfy whole numbers theory on Bitcoin. That will be the next structure resistance that we need to touch and test in order to break higher. I would not be shocked, honestly, over the next couple of days at this point to reach that area around $30,000. And after that, if we manage to break $30,000, around $32,000 will be the next mark for Bitcoin. However, this will require a drastic move. I think that $30,000 is more likely from the current point that we're at, from the current price point. This will only be about a 3% move, and that very consistently happens within a day. So through this week moving forward, my target for Bitcoin is $30,000. Now, if you want to follow along, it's going to be really important. You're going to want to get access to all of these indicators. They have helped us tremendously predict moves in the market. I can get you a $400 off coupon right now, and the way you're going to want to do that is find the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down. If you want to get access to the indicators, it'll be the second link right here. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our indicator page, and the best possible deal will be to purchase the bundle pack first. This will include the trend exhaustion and price versus well money flow indicators, as well as 7 other ones for you to use. And with over 3,900 sales, you know these work well. The bundle pack will also include a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. Purchasing all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators using that $400 off coupon will be cheaper than buying just the TC top and bottom finder alone. So that will be the best possible deal. No matter what you get, it's lifetime access for a one-time payment, and you get full dedicated email support. So if you ever have any questions, please feel free to email us at btradeconfident@gmail.com. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.